to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Today I'm going to be making some sushi today. I got everything here already prepped. It's just something different going on the table today, alright? No cooking. I got some carrots here, and I got some cucumber, some avocado, and I'm going to do a few chicken also. My rice already cooked, sushi rice here. And I'm gonna get started. I got my seaweed right here. So I gotta get a little bit of sesame oil on my hands first. The rice is sticky. That's the way you do it. All right, let's get started. These are really simple, easy recipes. Yeah, this rice is really sticky if you don't have oil. The sesame oil actually gives it good flavor also. You got it on your hands. Something different today. Alright, and that's all my rice. Right there, get a few carrots. I blanch these in water for like maybe about 5 minutes. Get them drained. And some cucumber that I julienne here. Alright, avocado. Alright, put a little bit of chicken in this one. Alright, so it's time to roll it up. Like that. See that? That's what you're looking for. You squeeze the bamboo right on it. And that's it. And I'll show you. I'll get back to you guys when I'm ready to cut. You see what it looks like. Okay, so moving on to the next one. And people, this is the bamboo roll to roll it. So get another seaweed right on here. A little bit more oil on my hand. Alright guys, come back and see me when I'm gonna cut, and you'll see what they look like. Alright, it's time to get these on the plate. You gotta be gentle. I put a little bit of oil on this knife so it's a little bit easier to cut. So that's what they look like right here. So we're gonna get these on the plate. I'll cut another one. A little bit more oil. And another one. These are looking good, aren't they? See all the color on the inside? The avocado, the carrot, the cucumber. That's for your guess right there. I'm gonna try one right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's pretty simple and easy to make. Sushi at home. You don't have to go out to a restaurant. It's COVID going on right now. Stay home and eat sushi. Have fun. Catch you in the next video, guys.